Hello everyone, and welcome to another highlight lighting tutorial. And today we're going to look at the single zone RGBW PWM LED wall mount. Now the controller comes with 4 channels rated at 5 amps per channel. It only needs a power supply of 12 to 24 volts DC, and the key point is that it comes with a positive modulation output signal. Now in a standard LED setup, you would have your LED driver, which is connected to the LED controller, which is controlling the brightness of the LED strip, and that is being done via a remote control linked to the LED controller. Now with this LED setup, we have the LED driver, which is connected directly to the PWM wall mount, which is controlling the RGBW strip. So you will be able to directly control the brightness of the strip and the RGBW channel directly with the wall mount without the need of an LED controller. For more information, you can visit our website highlighting.co.uk. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button underneath this video and follow us on our Instagram and Twitter page. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.